Most solar panel kits sold online are overpriced gimmicks that underperform in real sun. Choose poorly and you could waste hundreds and gain a useless roof ornament. Want a setup that actually powers your gear without drama? This video will guide you to solid options with clear, no-nonsense comparison. Today, I'm going to be going over the best solar panel kit that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the ECO-worthy solar panel kit. If you are chasing off grid reliability for RVs, campers, or small cabins, this kit promises simple, scalable power solutions. Built with a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame, the kit relies on 200-watt mono panels housed in a rugged, weather-sealed design. These panels rely on high-efficiency monocrystalline cells, delivering solid performance under sunlight and contributing to a compact overall footprint. Daily output reaches around 800 watt-hours per day when you achieve 4 hours of bright sunshine from the panels. Back panel includes pre-drilled plug-and-play cables, enabling installation and flexible wiring in 24-volt series or 12-volt parallel. Durable frame endures wind 2,400 pascals and snow 5,400 pascals, IP65 junction box. Included in kit are two 100-watt mono panels, two Z mounting brackets, a 30-amp PWM controller, and cables with connectors. This setup suits RVs, caravans, marine vessels, and off-grid cabins, offering scalable options for expanding capacity as needs grow. In real-world testing, the system delivered steady voltage with modest shading, maintaining charging efficiency while powering essential devices. Compared to a typical entry-level 12-volt kit with a basic controller, this ECO-worthy kit offers higher efficiency and more flexible wiring. The pros include high-efficiency monocrystalline panels, a full kit with mounting brackets, and flexible wiring for multiple voltage setups. The cons include a higher price compared to basic entry-level kits and the heavier overall weight from the complete accessories. For those seeking scalable off-grid solar with straightforward setup, this ECO-worthy kit offers reliable performance and practical convenience. At number 4, we have the Renogy Solar Panel Kit, a beginner-friendly dual-panel setup designed for RVs, boats, and cabins. This kit targets beginners seeking dependable off-grid power, especially for RVs, campers, boats, and remote sheds in need of quiet, scalable energy. The kit combines two Renogy 100-watt, 12-volt monocrystalline panels into a cohesive system with durable frames and a straightforward mounting interface. The Wanderer PWM controller supports 4 battery chemistries including sealed, gel, flooded, and lithium, while employing a precise 4-stage charging profile. With 22% cell efficiency and bypass diodes, the panels sustain output in low light while the backsheet dissipates heat. Real-world testing yields 1,000 watt-hours daily under 5 hours of direct sun, with expandable capacity up to 400 watts. The Wanderer PWM controller includes reverse polarity protection, overcharge protection, overload protection, and short-circuit safeguards to defend your battery bank. Ready to install, this kit includes all necessary cables, Z-brackets, and pre-drilled holes on the back frame for fast, secure mounting. Compared to a rival single-panel starter kit, this 2-panel Renogy setup offers better shade tolerance and higher practical output. This Renogy kit includes two Renogy 100-watt panels and a Wanderer 30-amp PWM charge controller for reliable off-grid charging. The pros include easy installation with included cables and brackets, expandable up to 400 watts, and PWM controller protects battery. The cons include higher upfront cost and the need for adequate roof space or mounting area to achieve optimal performance. The Wanderer PWM controller supports sealed, gel, flooded, and lithium batteries, giving flexibility across different storage setups and long-term reliability. The kit includes a 20-foot 10 AWG solar cable for flexible panel placement and steady power transfer. With simple expansion, robust protections, and clear installation steps, this Renogy starter kit remains a solid option for anyone stepping into solar power. At number 3, we have the SOLPERK Solar Panel Kit, a rugged 12-volt charging companion for boats, RVs, and off-grid adventures. It features a low iron-tempered glass surface and corrosion-resistant aluminum frame that together ensure waterproof durability and long-term rust resistance. Included is a fully adjustable mounting bracket that lets you angle the panel toward the sun for optimum capture across seasons. This panel uses monocrystalline cells with efficiency between 21 and 30%, enabling charging for lithium iron phosphate and other battery chemistries. Designed to endure storms, winds, and snow, the panel features a rugged build capable of withstanding high wind pressure and substantial snow load. Also included is an 8-amp smart charge controller with a 3-stage charging profile that protects batteries from overcharge and short circuits. Installation is straightforward with plug-and-play connections and pre-drilled holes, enabling quick setup on a boat, car, or RV. Included are the solar panel, charger controller, mounting bracket, alligator clips, O-rings, and mounting hardware, plus 1 year of after-sale support. Compared with a popular budget rival such as Renogy's 20-watt panel, SOLPERK delivers easier mounting, smarter charging, and longer waterproof reliability. The pros include durable build quality, versatile mounting, reliable performance, and strong customer support that shines in real-world use. On the downside, the price sits higher than typical budget kits, and the included controller, while solid, lacks advanced telemetry features. During real-world testing under bright sun, the panel delivered steady charging into 12-volt batteries while the controller prevented overcharging. This kit is ideal for boaters, campers, and RV owners who need reliable, maintenance-oriented charging with a simple installation. If you seek durable, weather-ready solar charging with smart management and easy mounting, the SOLPERK solar panel kit stands out as a practical solution. At number 2, we have the SOLPERK 100W. The built-in MPPT controller delivers over 30% more power than standard controllers while staying fully waterproof for aquatic adventures. In real-world use, the system yields about 400 watt-hours daily with 4 hours of strong sun. Package includes 100-watt monocrystalline panel, one 10-amp controller, an alligator clip set, and mounting brackets for simple installation. Plug-and-play design with pre-drilled holes enables quick mounting while LED indicators confirm battery connection and charging status. Completely waterproof controller withstands rain and splashes while protecting battery from overcharge, deep discharge, and short circuits in outdoor environments. Designed for a variety of applications including RVs, boats, caravans, sheds, and motorcycles, it stabilizes voltage and reduces maintenance on storage batteries. With 4 hours of strong sun, captured energy is transferred efficiently to the battery, minimizing wasted sunlight and enhancing reliability. Parcel content includes one mounting bracket set and one alligator clip, facilitating secure temporary connections during field setups. 1 year after sale service and lifetime technical support promise fast responses and ongoing assistance for installation maintenance and troubleshooting. The kit ships with blue and red LED indicators showing battery state and green light when charging completes. Compared to a rival 32-watt kit, SOLPERK significantly outperforms in MPPT efficiency and overall rugged reliability. The pros include excellent MPPT efficiency with impressive energy capture, full battery protection against common risks, and easy plug-and-play install. The cons include higher price relative to basic kits and limited included accessories that may require additional purchases for extended setups. At number 1, we have the Renogy Solar Panel Kit. Initial impressions show a compact starter kit designed for campers and off-grid enthusiasts seeking setup and 22.5% efficiency. The build quality shows in a lightweight frame weighing about 2.4 pounds, delivering durability for travel and easy repositioning. This kit targets weekend warriors, RV owners, and tiny home dwellers seeking a scalable solar solution balancing cost, reliability, and usability. The panel is a 100-watt monocrystalline unit paired with a robust Z-bracket kit that enables flexible mounting options. A durable assembly hosts a 30-amp PWM Wanderer charger controller and rugged cabling designed for outdoor use and vibration resistance. The kit supports expansion up to 400 watts with additional panels and is compatible with AGM, gel, flooded, and lithium batteries. A standout feature is monitoring through a Bluetooth-capable port, letting you track voltage and current remotely via the Renogy DC Home app. Weather resilience is enhanced by an IP65 rated J-box and IP67 rated connectors, safeguarding performance through snow. The kit remains compatible with AGM, gel, flooded, and lithium batteries and offers expansion up to 400 watts for future growth. In real-world testing, the kit delivered approximately 500 watt-hours of electricity per day under favorable sun conditions. With 22.5% cell efficiency, the panel demonstrates competitive performance for a starter kit, especially in good sunlight. During field tests, the system stood up to high wind and snow loads, validating safety ratings and the rugged build in challenging conditions. Compared with a typical rival entry-level kit, this Renogy set delivers stronger safety certifications and clearer expansion potential. The pros include UL safety certifications tested thoroughly, expansion to 400 watts, and Bluetooth monitoring for real-time system insights. The cons include higher price relative to budget kits and PWM efficiency concerns in variable sunlight conditions during travel.